So now we're at the world's largest Chevron station called Terrible's Roadhouse. We got Zoltar over there. And if you, for a good time, open the door for $1. Put $1 in there, see what happens. This is inside the Terribles.
I don't like that one. That's like the worst part of the freaking app.
All kinds of stuff. Restrooms, by a plane. These are some of the coolest shot glasses I have ever seen. So we definitely have to get some Welcome to Vegas shot glasses here. Lucky gnomes with names on them. Little voodoo dolls. Empty mini bottles. License plates. Holy, there's all kinds of stuff here. These little furry bonuses. Ooh, that's some nifty stuff. Look at that. Skull. We got these. Ours aren't this thick. Look at these skulls. I like that one. It's got pretty blue, green.
The rainbow one.
There's aliens. Ooh, look at those alien liquor bottles.
Aliens are going to be a big thing out here because they're Area 51.
Look at that.
How close are we?
They're really cool.
How close are we to Area 51?
Check out these lunch boxes. Human organs for transplant. Back to the Future. E.T. Give me some space. NASA. Got a little green tree guy. More aliens everywhere because we're close to Area 51. This tree is really cool. I would love to have this in my house. It changes beautiful colors. I love it. It's beautiful. We're not magnet people. I mean, they are cheap souvenirs, but I like shot glasses.
I would be, but Mom says we can't hang stuff on the fridge.
Yep. Can't hang stuff on the fridge. Got another cool car here. Vegas Golden Knights. I have to go to the potty, and this air guy is gonna take me to the bathroom. He's just gonna fly me to the bathroom. Got Sasquatch hanging out over here. Some nerds. More cups. Sasquatch. Jack Links.